Hello, everyone. This is Justin Gu with the 2009 School Sprint Round, and today we're going to be working on question number 5. So we can see that this is a geometry question, and we're going to be working with a triangle. So we want to find the area of the triangle. So yeah, let's get into it. So first, we need to know the formula for the area of a triangle, which is 1/2 base times height. Right. So if we look at the shape that we're actually given, we can see that we're given a horizontal line between A and B, and we're also given a value for C. So there are two ways we can tackle this question. So first way is we can use AC as a side and we can use BC as a side. And we can find those lengths using the distance formula, and using that we can use this formula. However, distance formula is rather complicated and it will take significantly more time. So we're going to try to look for a workaround. So if we notice, uh, the base, so the height of a triangle will go from, it will be perpendicular to the base and it will go to the highest point, right? So since we have a horizontal line AB, we can actually draw a line from C to AB that will be a perpendicular line, right? And since my line AB is horizontal, this line has to be completely vertical, and therefore there exists a point here where the x value will be the same. So this point will actually be, we're going to call this point D, and it's going to be 5, 1, because it is on the same y-axis. Right. So knowing this, we now actually have the values for these two lines, and we can actually use this 1/2 base height formula. So first, we're going to find the length of AB. So I'm going to rewrite our formula real quick. So we're going to have 1/2 times AB times CD. Right. So my length AB is going to be the length of that line. It's supposed to be an equal sign. So we know that the y value doesn't change, so we can pretty much disregard it in the equation. And so we just need to look at the x values, right? So we know that it goes from -3 to 7. So therefore we know -3 plus some unknown number is equal to 7. So if I add 3 to both sides, my unknown number is going to be equal to 10. So AB is 10. We do the same thing for CD. This time, since the x values don't change, we can disregard our x values and only look at y values. We know 1 plus some unknown number is going to equal -3. We're gonna subtract 1 from both sides. Our unknown is equal to -4. However, since this is the distance, right, we can't have a negative distance. So therefore CD will just be 4 because that's the length of this line. If we have a particle moving down 4, then that would be -4. But since we're just talking about the length of the line, it has to be positive. You can never have a negative length. Yes. Anyways, now we're going to take these values and plug it into this formula we have. So we have 1/2 times 10 times 4. I'm just going to simplify it here really quickly. I'm going to simplify the 1/2 into 4, turn it into 2 because 4 divided by 2 is 2. That's just some quick and easy simplification we can do. So we're left with 10 times 2, which will give us 20. So our answer will be 20 square units. You can see that, I'm going to rewrite the 0. You can see that it asks for a unit here, asks for the answer in square units, but you can see that since it's already written here, we do not need to write that.